Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both SIMs and the device so the switch is smooth. Power your Realme 11 Pro down, eject the tray, and insert each Nano SIM in its designated slot. This ensures proper reception and avoids tray damage. Once the cards are seated, reboot the phone and unlock it. Make sure you have carrier PINs and APN info ready, because you will need to configure data and roaming settings next to get reliable connectivity. You now enable and assign roles to each SIM so the phone uses them correctly. Go to Settings, choose SIM card and mobile data, then toggle both SIMs on. Select which SIM handles calls and SMS and set your preferred mobile data SIM. This prevents accidental charges. Next, tap each SIM to configure APN and network type. Choose 4G/5G per carrier. Because correct APN settings guarantee mobile data, you finish by managing daily use and knowing quick fixes for problems. Use the phone app or quick settings to pick which SIM makes an outgoing call and switch data on the fly from the notification shade. This gives control and avoids billing surprises. Make sure to set data limits and roaming alerts. If one SIM loses signal, toggle airplane mode, restart, or reset that SIM's APN settings. These steps resolve most
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.